Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, I did want to talk about something real quick. I did do a video on this a while ago, but the way I explained it was terrible. Basically, when you update your video drivers, a lot of people usually just click upgrade, which usually doesn't cause issues, but I have seen in the past where it can cause graphical issues because you've got the old and new driver still installed. So what I usually like to do, if you are using the NVIDIA app, you want to go to your drivers because we got the new updated driver. You're obviously going to click download to download that driver. Once it's done, I will show you how to continue. And once it's done, you can go ahead and click install. The UAC is going to pop up. Go ahead and click yes on that. Now, a lot of people, when they get to the screen, they leave it on express installation and then click continue. What you want to do is click custom installation and do clean installation and then continue. That way it deletes the old driver and then installs the new driver, so you don't have to worry about any graphical issues possibly happening. I'm not sure how you can do it on AMD, but I do plan on releasing a video on how to do it on AMD because I do have an AMD GPU, so I should be able to do so. Another method you can use is DDU, display driver uninstaller. I'll put a link in the description below to it. Alrighty, so the driver installation has finished and it did remove the old driver. I don't remember what I was talking about prior. I think I was talking about something specific. I think it was DDU. I believe I was talking about DDU before I was interrupted by my OBS getting kind of mad that the driver wasn't there anymore, so that's my fault. That is how you properly update your video drivers. You can also do the same thing by downloading it from their website, which I'll show you how to do real quick. So what you want to do is go to your browser of choice, and then we're going to go to NVIDIA.com. I spelled that wrong. I don't know where that's going to take me, and I don't know if I want to know. And then what you want to do is you want to go up here to drivers, click that. Then you can actually just kind of type right in here what your graphics card is. Obviously, it has to be an NVIDIA GPU, or you can search for it by category, but I'm just going to type it in. And you don't want laptop GPU. You want to scroll down till you find the regular that doesn't say laptop GPU, because I'm not on a laptop right now. Then you just want to look for the one for your version of graphics card. Make sure not to get the TI version. From what I can tell, the driver's pretty much the same, just the different name. Just to be safe, though, definitely choose the one for yours. Definitely try to avoid the TI. So if you have a 4070, don't install the 4070 Ti driver. Again, probably won't cause any issues, but just to, be safe. But what you want to do is you want to find the driver for the graphics card and version of Windows that you have. In this case, I have Windows 11, so I'm going to click that. And then it's going to pop up with Game Ready driver, NVIDIA Studio driver, or NVIDIA RTX Quadro desktop and netbook driver. What we're going to want to do is do Game Ready driver. If you are a creator and you are using your graphics card for creative use, such as editing, Photoshop, any of that type of stuff, definitely download the creative driver, although you can usually just get away with by downloading the game driver. So we're going to go ahead and download that. Depending on your internet connection, the download can take a while, so just keep that in mind. Then once it's done, you can just find it in your folder, or you can double click it here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the UAC finally popped up. Click yes on that. Click OK. What it's doing here is extracting those driver files to where you wanted them to go. This is actually new since the last time I used it, so this is kind of interesting. They changed the style. It's usually like much more not modern looking than this, but you can go ahead and close your browser now. What you want to do is click agree and continue, then custom, next, and then perform a clean installation. This is how you do it if you want to install it just right from the website. I'm not going to do that since I just updated the video driver, but that is how you do it with the NVIDIA app and then just downloading the driver straight from NVIDIA's website. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the comments below, and definitely share this with a friend if they are having trouble updating their video driver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.